Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and thanks for stopping by to check this video out. I got some really exciting information I want to share with you, and I'm going to share in this video my new quick start guide for people that want to come in and start building a quick start business. And I'm so excited about that because a lot of time, people get involved in a business and they don't know, where to go, where to turn, what resources to use, and that is what this really is all about. Also, I'm introducing my conference calls that are coming up. All right, and so what I want to do is kind of explain that to you and then get into the quick start guide. I think you're going to love some of the things that we're doing and some of the things that we're going to do. We're going to help people to build a business, and to me, that's really what it's all about. So stay tuned with me for the next few moments. Okay, I just wanted to show you this really quickly. Starting soon is my Opportunity Success Motivation Conference calls, okay? And I really want you to be a part of it. And how it's going to work is that if you're a member of our team, then we definitely want you to be a part. No matter where you are, maybe you signed up and you haven't done anything yet, but you're thinking about doing something. You want to do something. Okay, wherever you are, it really doesn't matter. The only thing that matters, I'll put it this way, is that you have a desire to learn more, to hear more, to see what's going on. So we're looking for team members that have an interest in being a part of our conference calls. Okay, potential team members. Maybe you're looking at FreeMart as a business opportunity. You're looking at it. You haven't decided to take the plunge yet, but you're thinking about doing it. Then these calls are going to be for you, for customers. Okay, maybe you don't want to do a business, but you want some exceptional health and wellness products. Okay, then you're invited to our calls because they're going to be exciting. I'm really passionate about sharing things with people, and I think I've got some great information that we're going to be having on these calls, some inspiration, some motivation, ideas about building the business, ideas of the products we're going to cover. I mean, just some amazing things. And so if you're a potential customer or you're just an person with an inquiring mind and you want to hear what's going on with our team in our conference calls, then this is something that I want to invite you to. Now, how it's going to work is this. I'm looking for several people to say, yeah, I want to be a part, okay, of getting in and getting on the conference calls. Then I'm going to have a link in the description area of this video where you can sign up for that, okay? But you're going to get some great information as well. So do that. And I will say this too. Doesn't matter where you are in the spectrum of things, okay? Perhaps you wanted to get started with Shopfreemart. You couldn't at the time. Perhaps you wanted to do some things you couldn't do at the time, but now you're saying, now I want to do something. Now I want to move forward. I at least want to put my toe in the water. Okay. See, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you have decided that you want to move forward, even if it's just a little bit. Then we want you to get signed up, connect with us so that you can become part of our team calls. They're going to be exciting. We're going to share a lot of information and we want you to be a part. And so we're going to have calls probably on a bi-weekly or weekly basis. It's all determined by how many people want to be a part, and maybe some various other factors as well. But that's definitely going to be if we get people that want to do this. Okay, so there you have it. But go ahead and get signed up in the description area and connect with us so that you can get the information for our Opportunity Success Motivation conference calls. Now let's get into this quick start guide and show you how you can get that in your hands. Stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, guys, what I want to do is just give you a real quick overview, okay, of this quick start guide. Excuse me for a moment. My allergies are acting up and I think I'm going to have to sneeze. So let me just pause for a moment and I'll come right back. Okay, so we're going to start at the very beginning. One of the first things you'll see here is, of course, after the heading, is formula for success. And I shared this in another video, but that becomes part of the quick start guide because that is part of our messaging, okay? Formula for success. And the things that we do, we look for simplicity. We want things that are going to be easy for people to do, all right? As you can see, this other part here, section, it says, who are we looking to help, all right? And I'm going to go ahead and go through this so that you can see what the kinds of people that you're going to be able to help, all right, in this opportunity, okay? So let's just look at this together. It says, in the network marketing, referral-based marketing industry, we look for people with a desire to earn extra money, and particularly, we look for people with a desire to build a home business, okay? And so that's what you're looking for. With the Shopfreemart opportunity, we also look for those with a desire to maintain optimum health, people wanting to get healthier, live longer, feel better, look better, and create wealth online, all right? There are literally millions upon millions of people like that, and we simply need to find a handful of them. And that's what we need to do as a team. And we help each other to grow. We help each other to build, because look, the potential here is absolutely staggering. You can build a multiple $1,000 a month income with the Shopfreemart opportunity, okay? Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy to do, but we simplify the process, okay? We make it easier. And, you know, we talk about working smart, all right, and not so hard, but we do work hard, all right? Now, look at this next part for me. It says right down here, how many people per day? Now, this is vital. How many people per day do we need to share our business with on a daily basis to grow that should be a profitable business? Let's look at that. Okay, so the ideal amount to share, the ideal amount of people to share with on a daily basis is 30 per day. Okay, if you can't do 30, do 20. If you can't do 20, do 15, etc. All right, and you know, obviously, the more people you can share this with on a daily basis, the better. Now, we have system in place that makes it easy for you to do it, okay? Now the next part, you know, we cover where does the 30 contacts per day number come from. Well, I worked with a gentleman who became very, very successful in the postcard marketing industry, okay? He was a serial postcard marketer and made millions and millions of dollars, okay? And he learned something from the insurance industry. And they determined that if their agents would go out and make, you know, physical contact with 30 new people per day, then they could make 1 or 2 sales per day. All right. And so this guy the guy that showed me this business, again, he would mail 30 postcards every single day, you know, 6 days a week. And he built a phenomenal business. So 30 contacts per day is the key number. And if you can't do that, then you do something else. But with our system, okay, it's going to make it very easy to contact 30 new people per day. All right. So much easier than it was back in the day when particularly the insurance guys had to go out and knock on doors. Man, I'm so glad we don't have to do that. All right. And so what we do now is everything is pretty much online. Okay. And making it a phenomenal online business opportunity. Okay, so here we go. Can you contact 30 people per day? Of course you can. We have the systems that will help you to do just that. All right. And you want a a system that is simple, a cookie cutter system that everyone can do. And that's what we have. Okay. We have that for you. We make it easy